Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Joseph and I'm doing my BTech second year from Karunya University in Computer Science and Engineering. So today I'll be teaching you one experiment of computer networks which I got it from my university in Computer Networks Labs. So in order to explain this experiment, I'll be using this Cisco Packet Tracer to explain the experiment. So let's see what is it about. So it's about static routing, and the aim of this experiment is to enable static routing for a scenario using the network 192.168.1.0/24 with 8 subnets. So that is, we got IP addresses from 0 to 255, but 0 is the network address and 255 is the broadcast address. So from 1 to 254. So like we have to divide these addresses into 8. So that's why we'll be using subnetting for it. So now let's see the given scenario which I got for it. So in this, I've set up this N devices, switches, routers, and then totally over here I have 8 networks. So LAN A, LAN B, LAN C, and then LAN D, and then WAN A, WAN B, WAN C, and WAN D. So 4 local area networks and 4 wide area networks, so totally 8 networks. So before kicking off with further explanation, I would like to explain you what is static routing. So static routing is this thing, like if you have assigned an IP address to an end device, it will not be changed if you ping or if you go to some other server, like, or whatever you may do, it will not be changed. So it is fixed. So that's why the name is static routing. So I have given the IP addresses, like I have already assigned the IP addresses to these end devices and to these routers, and then in order to send in order to ping to another device, in order to send a packet to another device, we have to set a default gateway. So default gateway of an end system is nothing but which is connected to the router, and its default gateway is the IP address of this router, of the router which is connected to these end devices. So as you can see that where I've given the gateway as 1 to 9, and my router's IP address is .1 to 9. So yeah, so that's the gateway of this end device, and likewise I did for the remaining networks too. And then I've given the subnet mask also. So in order to send a packet from this device to this device, I have to configure the these routers. So I've done that already, but I'll show you the procedure that how I did. So click on the router, then go to CLI, that is our command line interface, and I have already configured it in order to save time and to explain more about it to you. So if you'll open it, so like this kind of message will appear, then press enter, and then this thing will come, router with a greater than sign. Then press EN, that is nothing but enable, and then it will enable the router, and then you can configure it. So then type config space T, and then it will ask you to enter configuration commands 1 per line. So IP route, and then you have to give the network address or the very first, for the network which is connected to this router, and then give the subnet mask of it. So the subnet mask of this is 255.255.255.224, and the serial port of it is serial 2/0. So serial 2/0, we have to type it over there, and then after pressing enter, then you have to give the IP route, like that is the network address of the other network which is connected to this router, followed by the subnet mask. So as you can see, and then its serial port, and then press enter, and then it will be configured, and then your end device is ready to send a packet to the other end device. So if I want to send a packet from this end device from PC1 to PC6, so I need to know the IP address of this PC. So its IP address is 192.168.1.97. So let's try sending a ping command, try doing a ping command, or try sending a packet to it. So for that I have to type ping 192.168. I forgot the IP address of it. So 1.97, and you can see it start pinging it, So in case if you want to see the simulation, well, it has already stored, but we'll do it one more time. So again, ping 192.168.1.97, and you can see that packet has been created. Capture forward, it will go to switch, then from there to router, and then from that router to the other router, then again another router, and likewise it will go, and it will reach to the PC where you wanted to send, and then it will send a reply message to the same PC, like that is the sender. Yeah, so it has replied it successfully to PC1. So that's how we do this experiment. And guys, in case if you have any doubts, feel free to ask a doubt in comment section. I would love to clear all your doubts. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope I would see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.